Hello friends, welcome to Urology Solutions with Dr. Vipul. Today I shall be discussing with you a very common but times very painful topic, the kidney stones. I do see a lot of stone patients in my practice, and one question which is very commonly asked by all patients is, Doctor, why me? How and why did I develop stones? The usual answer is probably bad luck, but let's try and find it on a very serious note in actual how it happens. As mentioned in my previous talk, I had explained that the kidney are the filter organs of the body. They excrete minerals like calcium, sodium, magnesium, and compounds like uric acid, oxalate, and proteins into the urine. At a certain point, when the urine becomes supersaturated with these compounds, it leads to crystal formation, which can develop stones. A very simple way to understand this is when you prepare lemonade. You take water in a jug and add sugar. As you keep adding sugar, after a certain point, the sugar starts settling in the bottom of the jug because the water has become supersaturated with the sugar. Similarly is the process of stone formation in urine. So when a urine becomes supersaturated, the minerals and the compounds start settling, forming crystals, which further develop into concretions, smaller stones, and bigger stones. The factors which supersaturate the urine with the crystal forming compounds vary from patient to patient, and that is how varies the risk whether one person will form stone or not. Apart from these, there are certain compounds in urine which are stone promoters like sodium, calcium, uric acid, cysteine, and there are certain compounds which are stone inhibitors like magnesium, citrate, and certain urinary proteins. So there is constantly a tug of war between stone promoters and stone inhibitors, and when the stone promoters gain an upper hand, the patients will develop stones. Broadly, all these factors can be divided into modifiable and non-modifiable factors. The modifiable factors can be manipulated and hence help in reducing the risk of stone formation, whereas the non-modifiable factors stay with the patient throughout life and cannot be manipulated. These factors are responsible for the fact that you can reduce the risk of stone formation, but you can never be 100% stone free. So, the formation of kidney stones is a mix of biology, chemistry, and physiology in the urine. They form when the balance of crystal concentration goes beyond the saturation level and the balance between stone promoters and stone inhibitors tilts towards the stone promoter side. However, one factor to avoid or decrease the chances of stone formation is to stay adequately hydrated. So, stay hydrated and stay healthy. In my next video, I shall be discussing the signs and symptoms of stone diseases and how to know whether you are developing stones. Do follow my Instagram channel for more proactive health videos and keep your kidneys healthy.